Here we have an Aussie Vac AV1400 ducted vacuum system, approximately 10 to 12 years old. The client brought the unit into our workshop today as the unit was not turning on. Generally with a unit of this age, it would normally be the carbon brushes that need replacing. We'll now test the unit to see what the problem is. As we can hear, the relay is functioning on the circuit board, so we would think that it is the motor. Normally a good way to test if the brushes have failed is to lightly tap the top of the motor with a rubber mallet. As you can see, the motor has tried to turn on, and this is generally typical of the brushes failing. We will open the motor up and check out the brushes. We've removed the motor from the unit and removed the carbon brushes. We can see that they are worn out. A new carbon brush looks like this one here. So as you can see, it's quite a bit of wear. We'll replace the brushes, although this motor has a small amount of bearing noise, and we will advise the client that they may need to replace the motor in the near future. Total cost for replacing brushes is $100, $50 for a set of brushes and a $50 shop service. We'll now install the brushes into this motor and reinstall it into the machine. We have reinstalled the motor after changing the carbon brushes. We'll now test the unit to ensure that it's all working. As you can see, the motor is now functioning. There is still a little bit of bearing noise, although that is quite normal with the age of this machine. We will advise the client that it would be best next time to replace the motor or possibly upgrade the unit to a new Aussie Vac model, possibly the AV1400.